A warm good morning to one and all. Welcome back to our maths class. Hope you are safe at home. Last week we discussed exercise 10C up to 7 questions. Today we are going to discuss 8th question. See 8th question. 4 men or 6 women earn rupees 360 in one day. Find how much will a man earn in one day, a woman earn in one day, 6 men and 4 women earn in one day. Okay, so first in this type of question, first we want to check is it direct or inverse. The relation is direct or inverse. Then we want to convert either 4 men and 6 women, either man or woman. The relation 4 men or 6 women means 4 men or 6 women means 4 men can earn 360 or 6 women can earn 360 in one day. That means they are not together, either 4 men or 6 women. Okay, so here see 8th question. 4 men earn rupees 360 in one day. 4 men can earn rupees 360 in one day. 4 men are earning rupees 360. So first we want to find 1 man can earn. How to find 1 man can earn? 360 by 4. 360 by 4 is rupees 90 in one day. Okay, rupees 90 in one day. Clear? 4 men earn 360 in one day. So 1 man can earn rupees 90 because 360 by 4 90. Same way 6 women can earn rupees 360 in one day. 4 men or 6 women they are telling. So 6 women earn rupees 360 in one day. So one woman earn 360 by 6 rupees 60 in one day. Okay, so 1 man earn rupees 90, 1 woman earn rupees 60. Now our question is 6 men and 4 women earn in one day. 6 men and 4 women. 6 men and 4 women means they earn together and means together, so we want to add 6 men. 1 man, we know that 1 man earn 90 rupees, so 6 men means 6 into 90 plus 4 women means 1 woman 60 rupees, so 4 women how much rupees? 4 into 60. Okay, 6 into 90 plus 4 into 60. 1 man earn rupees 90, so 6 man earn 6 into 90 and 1 woman earn 60 rupees, so 4 women earn 4 into 60. So total 540 plus 240, 780. Clear? 780. Very simple type of question. This type is very simple, but you just be careful. Okay. Next, 9th question. 16 boys went to a canteen to have tea and snacks together. The bill amounted to rupees 114.40. What will be the contribution of a boy who pays for himself and 5 others? See, 16 boys went to canteen to have a tea and snacks and their total bill is rupees 114.40. And we want to find what will be the contribution of a boy who pays for himself and 5 others means himself and 5 others means total how many are there? 6. Okay, himself and others means himself and 5 others, so 6. We want to find 6 boys contribution. 6 boys contribution. This is unitary method, so first we want to find 1 boy's contribution. 16 boys contribution is given by 114.40. 16 boys are paying 114.40, so we want to find 1 boy's contribution. Then we can find 6 boys. How 6 boys? 5 others and 1 boy, 1 boy he paid himself and 5 others, that means 6, So come to the point. See 9th one. Bill amount of 16 boys. bill amount of 16 boys is equal to rupees 114.40. Now bill amount of one boy. Bill amount of one boy is how to find? By division, 114.40 by 16 is equal to 7.15. 7.15. Now contribution of a boy who pays himself and 5 others. So total 6, contribution of a boy who pays himself and 6 others, 5 others means total 6. So 6 into 7.15. 6 into 7.15 equal to 42.90. 42.90 rupees. See, first 16 boys contribution or amount of bill amount of 16 boys are given by 114.40. Then bill amount of one boy. How to find one boy? By division method. 114.40 by 16 is 7.15. Then find 6 boys. Contribution of 6 boys is 6 into 7.15. That is 42.90. Clear? Now 10th question. 50 laborers can dig a pond in 16 days. How many laborers will be required to dig another pond double in size in 20 days? See, there are 50 laborers can dig a pond in 60 days. 16 days needed to dig a pond for 50 laborers. How many laborers will be required to dig another pond of double size in 20 days? We want to find number of laborers. How to find this? We want to find number of laborers. 50 laborers are needed to dig a pond in 60 days. Here we want to find in 20 days double the size. See, work is also very important. Days, laborers and work is also important. The pond is not actual size, it is double the first size. Okay, double the first size. Okay, so work is increasing, they want 20 days, they want to finish it in 20 days. Work is also more because double the size, so a work depend upon number of days and workers. Same way, how to finish a work, it depends upon the work, number of workers or laborers and number of days. 3 things, it depend upon 3 things. A work which the number of days to finish a work or number of laborers needed. It depends 3 main things, that is number of laborers, work, that means hardness of the work. Here double the size, the pond is double the size, so work and the days 3 things depends. Okay, so let us do this. See, number of laborers required to dig a pond in 16 days. We want to find number of laborers, so the statement also started with number of laborers required to dig a pond in 16 days. How many numbers? 50 laborers. So then find number of laborers required to dig a pond in 1 day equal to 50 into 16. Why into? Because this is inverse variation, 16 days 50 laborers. 16 days 50 laborers. If they want to complete the work in 1 day, more laborers we needed, the work, the day is decreasing, number of laborers is increasing. Here 16 days 50 workers, here 1 day is decreasing, only 1 day, so number of laborers increasing. So this is inverse variation. One quantity is increasing, other quantity is decreasing. You just think about that. The number of laborers are only 50. They need to dig the pond in 16 days. But they want to complete in 1 day, means we need more workers, we need more laborers to finish a work in 1 day. So inverse variation. So how to find one quantity? By multiplication, not division. To find one quantity by multiplication. Okay, so number of laborers required to dig a pond in 1 day is equal to 50 into 16. 50 into 16, because here inverse variation, in direct variation we have to find the unitary method by division. We want to find one quantity by division, but in inverse variation we want to find one quantity by multiplication. Okay, so number of laborers required to dig a pond in 20 days. Now we want to find in 20 days, 1 day we got it, 50 into 16. Now number of laborers required to dig a pond in 20 days is equal to 50 into 16 by 20. By 20, not into 20, by 20. Now division, 20 days. We want to find 20 days. 20 days, how to find 20 days worker? By division. If it is in direct variation, we want to find 20 days by multiplication, just opposite of unitary method. Here just opposite of unitary method in direct variation. This is inverse, So how to find 20 days work? By division. 1 day how to find? By multiplication. Okay, so 20 days also we got, but the size of the pond is double, So number of laborers required to dig a pond double in size in 20 days. Days is 20, but double in size. So into 2. This answer into 2. That is 50 into 16 into 2 by 20. 50 into 16 into 2 by 20. Otherwise you can cancel this from here itself. Then last you can do into 2. Finally you can do into 2. Anyway, the answer is 80 laborers. 80 laborers. Okay. 0, 0 get cancelled. 2 8s are 16. 8 5s are 40. 40 into 2, 80. Otherwise from here itself you can find it. 50 into 16 by 20 is 40. Now double in size means 40 into 2, 80. Anyway you can do. Okay, 40 into 2, 80 laborers. Number of laborers required to dig a pond double in size in 20 days is 80 laborers. Okay, clear? See once again, first we have given that number of laborers required to dig a pond in 16 days is 50. 16 days is given by 50 workers. Now we want to find 1 day. Number of laborers required to dig a pond in 1 day. Number of laborers required to dig a pond in 1 day is equal to 50 into 16. We want to multiply here because in inverse variation we are finding one quantity by division, multiplication. But in direct variation we will find by using division, to find one quantity, division. Here in inverse variation we want to find by multiplication, 50 into 16. Now how to find 20 days worker? Number of laborers required to dig a pond in 20 days. 20 days, number of days is increasing, so we want to divide. Just opposite. To find more, divide. 50 into 16 by 20. Then we will get 40. Answer 40 laborers. But the size of the pond is double, So number of laborers required to dig a pond double in size in 20 days is 50 into 60 by 20 into 2. That is 80 laborers. Answer 80. 80 laborers. Okay. Next question number 12. If 3 men or 6 boys can finish a work in 20 days, how long will 4 men and 12 boys take to finish the same work? Here, men or boys can finish a work in 20 days. How long 4 men and 12 boys take to finish? Here, men, boys we want to equate it. Either we want to convert 3 men equal to 6 boys or 6 boys into men. we want to equate this. 3 men and 6 boys entirely different, you know. So we want to equate men and boys. Okay, then only we can find it. See, 3 men. Here 3 men is equal to 3 men or 6 boys. Not and. And means plus. We want to add it. Or they are together doing the work. But here 3 men or 6 boys. 3 ആൾക്കാരോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 6 കുട്ടികളോ. സി 3 men or 6 boys means 3 ആൾക്കാർ ചെയ്യണ പണി, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അത് 6 boys 6 ആൺകുട്ടികൾ ചെയ്യും. We know that 3 men, the men and boys cannot, their work are not equally. Their work is not equal because men means a complete man means their energy level is different from boys, you know. Energy levels are entirely different to man and boys. Same way man and woman, the energy level is different. Now 3 men is comparing to men, the boys energy level is very less, you know. So 6 boys are needed to complete a work. 3 men or 6 boys can finish a work in 20 days means 3 men complete a work in 20 days. But at the same time, if they are the work is done by boys, 6 boys are needed, not 3 boys. 6 boys are needed to complete the work in 20 days. Okay, see, if it is man, then 3 men is enough to complete a work in 20 days. Within 20 days 3 men is enough. But if the work is done by boys, 3 boys are not enough because their energy level is different, you know. So 3 boys is not enough. 3 boys are not enough. 6 boys are needed to complete a work. Okay, so 3 men, we can write 3 men or 6 boys can do a work in 20 days, you know. So 3 men equal to 6 boys, which implies 1 man. We want to equate 1 man equal to how many boys? 1 man equal to 6 by 3 boys. This 3 comes to this side. 1 man is equal to 6 by 3 boys. That is 2 boys. 1 man is 3 men equal to 6 boys, you know. So what do you mean by 1 man? This 3 goes to opposite side. That is 6 by 3 boys. That is 2 boys. Clear? Now 4 men. Now question 4 men and 12 boys together, you know. So 4 men equal to 4 into 6 by 3 boys. That is 4 into 2, 8 boys. 4 men is equal to 8 boys. That is double. If 3 men, then 6 boys. 4 men, 8 boys. Okay. Now 6 boys. It is given that 6 boys finish a work in 20 days. Now here we want to find the 1 day work. First we want to find 1 day work and men and boy, you know. We want to find in any one method, either boy or man. So in the question it is given that 3 men or 6 boys finish a work in 20 days. So we can take 6 boys finish a work in 20 days. 6 boys finish a work in 20 days. So 4 men and 12 boys. And means together. So we want to plus. How long will they take to complete the work? 4 men and 12 boys. How long they will take to complete the work? So 4 men and 12 boys. Now we want to equate this men into boy. We want to equate this. Either we want to convert boys into men or men into boys. So we know that 4 men is equal to, already we find it, 8 boys. 4 men is also equal to 8 boys. So 8 boys and means plus 12 boys. What is 8 plus 12? 20 boys. Now 4 men plus 12 boys is equal to 20 boys. Okay, 4 men plus 12 boys is equal to 20 boys. Now we want to find only one measure, that is in boy. 4 men and 20 boys, which is equal to 20 boys. We want to convert this men into boy. Only one quantity is needed. So 6 boys can finish a work in 20 days, 6 boys can finish a work in 20 days. We already find it. So 20 boys will do the same work in X days. We don't know how many days they are taking. Here we can apply unitary method. 6 boys can finish a work in 20 days. So 1 boy can finish a work in, if it is 1 boy, he need more days, So inverse variation. So 6 into 20. 6 into 20. So 20 boys can complete a work in 6 into 20 by 20. 6 into 20 by 20. So what is the answer? 6. 6. Otherwise we can do this way also. 6 is to 20 proportional to 20 is to x. Boys work. If it is 6 boys, 20 days they can take. 20 work 20 days. If it is 20 boys, x days. We don't know how many days. Work in days. Work x days. See, 6 boys, then 20 days. If 20 days, x days. 20 boys, x days. Inverse variation. This is an inverse variation. More boys, less days. So inverse means x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. That is the formula, x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. So x1 6, y1 20. 6 into 20 is equal to 20 into x. So x is equal to 6 into 20 by 20. 6 days. Otherwise we can apply a statement unitary method. Okay. See how to apply unitary method. 6 boys can finish a work in 20 days. So 1 boy can finish a work in 20 into 6. Inverse variation, so multiplication. To find one quantity, we will multiply 6 into 20. Now 20 boys will do the same work in So 20 boys can finish the work in 6 into 20 by 20. 20 get cancelled. 6 is the answer. Okay, otherwise you can do this method also. 6 is to 20, 20 is to x. We don't know the days here. 6 boys 20 days. If 20 boys are there, how many days? That we don't know. So put it x. So boys days or work. 6 boys 20 days work. 20 boys x days work. We don't know. So it is in inverse variation. So x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. That is x1. This is y1. So 6 into 20. x2 y2. 20 into x. So 20x is 6 into 20x is 6 into 20 by 20. 6 days. Okay. If this is confusing, then you can apply this method. 6 boys can finish a work in 20 days. So 1 boy can, 6 boy so 1 boy can finish a work in 6 into 20 days. 6 into 20. So 20 boys can finish a work in 6 into 20 by 20. 6 into 20 by 20. That also you can follow. Okay. Same way, one more question. A particular work can be completed by 6 men and 6 women in 24 days, whereas the same work can be completed by 8 men and 12 women in 15 days. Find according to the amount of work done, 1 man is equal to how many women, and the time taken by 4 men and 6 women to complete the same work. So particular work can be completed by 6 men and. In previous question it is or, here and. 6 men and 6 women complete a work in 24 days. So 6 men and 6 women. 6 men and 6 women complete a work, can finish a work in 24 days. Here also we want to find 1 man equal to how many women. 1 man equal to how many women. For that 24 days work is given. We want to find 1 day's work. How to find 1 day's work? See, this is also inverse variation. If number of men is increasing, the days will decrease. If the day is lesser, then number of men is increasing, isn't it? കുറച്ച് ആൾക്കാരെ ഉള്ളൂങ്കിൽ കുറേ ദിവസം അവർ വർക്ക് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ കുറേ ദിവസം എടുക്കും. കുറച്ച് ആൾക്കാരെ ഉള്ളൂങ്കിൽ ഒരു വർക്ക് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ നിറയെ ആൾക്കാർ വേണം. ഓക്കെ, കുറച്ച് ആൾക്കാരെ ഉള്ളൂങ്കിൽ ഒരു വർക്ക് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ കൂടുതൽ ദിവസം എടുക്കും, ഡേയ്സ് കൂടുതലെടുക്കും. ദെൻ ഒരു ഡേ കൊണ്ട് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം ഒരു വർക്ക് എന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാലോ കുറേ ആൾക്കാർ ആവശ്യമുണ്ട്. ഒറ്റ ദിവസത്തിനുള്ള ഒരു വർക്ക് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ ആൾക്കാരുടെ എണ്ണം കൂട്ടണം. സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ് വേരിയേഷൻ. സോ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ടു ഫൈൻഡ് 1 day. ഒരു ദിവസത്തെ വർക്ക് കാണാൻ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ആണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. സോ 1 day ഈക്വൽ ടു 24 daysന് 6 men. If it is 24 days, then 6 men and 6 women. So if it is in 1 day, how to find 24 into 6? 144. So 144 men and 144 women to finish a work in 1 day. 144 men and 144 women can finish a work in 1 day. Okay, clear? To find 1 day, we want to multiply, 144, 6 into 24, 6 into 24. That is 144 men plus 144. Both is 6, So 6 into 24. 1 day. Now, our question, one more thing is given. 8 men and 12 women complete in 15 days. So 8 men plus 12 women can finish a work in 15 days. 8 men and 12 women can finish a work in 15 days. That means 1 day's work. How to find their 1 day's work? 8 into 15. 8 into 15 men plus 12 into 15 women can finish a work in 1 day. 8 into 15 men plus 12 into 15 women can finish a work in 1 day. Okay, that is 8 into 50, 120 men plus 180 women can finish a work in 1 day. 120 men and 180 women can finish a work in 1 day. Okay, now we want to subtract this men and 144 men and 120 men. Okay, 144 men minus 120 men is 24 men. Same way 180 women and 144 women, 36 women. So we got RHS, this side is equal, so 24 men is equal to 36 women. Here 24, here 36. So 24 men is equal to 36 women. In previous question, men or boys like that given. Here plus it is given 4 men and 8 women like that. We want to separate it. That's why we are subtracting here. 144 men minus 120 men, 24 men. Then write 24 men is equal to 36 women. Okay, 24 men is equal to 36 women. So 1 man is equal to, we want to find 1 man, 1 man is equal to 36 by 24 women. 36 by 24 is 3 by 2 women. That is 1.5 women. 1 man is equal to 1.5 women. So 1 man is not equal to 1 woman. 1 man is equal to 1.5 women. Clear? So first we want to find 1 day work. Their 1 day work. How to find 1 day's work? By multiplying. Okay, second case also you want to multiply. 15 days work is given, then find 1 day work, then subtract both man, woman. Okay, then 24 men is equal to 36 women. 1 man is 36 by 24, that is 1.5 women. Here we can find by actual unitary method. Okay, no need to multiply. Now 4 men and 6 women. Our second question is, first question is over. Now second sub question, time taken by 4 men and 6 women. 4 men and 6 women, as usual the previous question, you want to make it in any one mode. That is, either you convert this woman to man or man to woman. Here it is easy to convert into man to woman. 4 men is equal to how many women? How to convert 4 men into women? 1 man is equal to 1.5 women. 1 man is equal to 1.5 women. So 4 men is equal to 4 into 1.5 women. That is 4 into 3 by 2 women. 4 men is equal to 4 into 3 by 2 women plus this 6 women. Okay, either you want to convert this men into women or women into men. Here we already find one man is equal to 1.5 women. In previous question we converted it into boys, same way. One man is equal to 1.5 women. So 4 man is equal to 4 into 1.5 women. That is 4 into 3 by 2 women plus this 6 women. So total how many women are there? 2 2s are 4 2 3 6 plus 6 12 women. Okay, 12 women. See total 12 women. 6 women plus 6 women, 12 women. Okay, clear? 4 men is equal to 1 man is equal to 1.5 women, So 4 men is equal to 4 into 3 by 2. That is 6. 6 women and the 6 women. 12 women total. Now already we find 8 men plus 12 women can complete a work in 15 days. We want to find number of days. So you can take first case or second case. Here I am taking second case. In second case, 8 men plus 12 women can complete a work in 15 days. Now this convert 8 men into women. How to convert men into women? 1 man is equal to 1.5 women or 3 by 2 women. So 8 man is equal to 8 into 3 by 2 women. 8 into 3 by 2 women. That is 2 4 4 3 are 12 women. Okay, 8 men is equal to 12 women. So this 12 women plus this 12 women, how many women? This 12 plus this 12, 24 women can complete a work in 15 days. Okay, 24 women can complete a work in 15 days. So 1 woman can complete a work in 1 woman can complete a work in 24 into 15 days. 24 into here multiplication because 24 women can complete a work in 15 days. If there is only 1 woman, she need more days. So 24 into 15 days. 1 woman. So 12 women can do a work in 12 women. Here 12 women is there, in the question. 4 men and 6 women. 4 men and 6 women is equal to 12 women. 12 women can complete a work in 24. One woman can complete in 24 into 15. Then 12 women. How to complete 24 into 15 by 12 equal to 30 days. Okay, 24 into 15 by 12, 30 days. See, first you have to find 1 man is equal to 12 women. 1 man is equal to 1.5 women. Then next our question is 4 men and 6 women. How many days they will take to complete? 4 men and 6 women. So you want to complete this man into women. So 1 man is 3 by 2 women. So 4 men is equal to 4 into 3 by 2 women. That is 6 women. And one more 6 is here, here also 6 women. So 6 plus 6, 12 women. You want to find 12 women's work. How many days they will take to complete? Okay, so before that one more thing is given. 8 men and 12 women can complete a work in 15 days. Here also we complete 8 men into women. So 8 men is equal to 8 into 3 by 2, 12 women. So 8 men is equal to 12 women, and again one more 12 is there, 12 plus 12, 24 women can complete a work in 15 days. 24 women can complete a work in 15 days. Okay. So 1 woman can complete a work in 24 into 15 days. So 12 women can complete a work in 24 into 15 by 12, 30 days. Okay, here this 8 men plus 12 women. This 8 men is equal to 12 women and this 12 women. This is second case. Already given in the question, 8 men and 12 women can complete a work in 15 days. That's why we are getting this 12, not this 12. Okay, this 12 how to get? 4 men plus 6 women. 4 men is also equal to 6 women. 4 into 3 by 2 is 6. 6 women plus this 6 women is 12 women. Okay, that's all for today's class. Mark the homework. Exercise 10C, 11 and 14. Okay, this is today's homework. 10C, 11 and 14. Same type. Just try. Okay. That's all for today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.